Welcome to SEQTA Engage at Samaritan College. SEQTA is our student management system comprised of 3 linked domains. SEQTA Teach, which is used by our staff, SEQTA Learn, which is used daily by our students at the secondary campus, and SEQTA Engage, which is the portal for parents, caregivers and guardians to keep up to date with school happenings and student progress, and it provides access to important school communication and documents. To set up SEQTA Engage, you will need to look for an email you received from the college titled Welcome to SEQTA Engage. This email provides details for you to log into the system. If you have already downloaded the SEQTA Engage app on your device, you'll be able to scan the QR code provided in the email, which will help you to log in straight away. Otherwise, you can set up your login through the desktop portal, where you will be asked to choose a username and password. You can access the desktop portal by going to engage.samaritan.catholic.edu.au. Once logged in, you will be greeted with a welcome page. The sidebar mirrors the headings of your child's SEQTA Learn account if they are attending the secondary campus, so you see most of what they do. As the year progresses, you will see areas become populated with information as staff begin to upload documents and resources. The Dashboard tab will be your main source of information, as it allows you to see a snapshot of your child's timetable, any homework assigned through classes, and unresolved absences. In this space, you can use the Options button to toggle on and off the tools you want displayed on the dashboard. When viewing homework assigned to your child, you can also click Add to My To-Do list, and the item will be added to the Task List panel to help you assist your child. This function is mirrored in SEQTA Learn, where students can add homework items to their task list and manually add new items too, in order to help them stay organised and on top of commitments and learning. The Assessments tab allows you to see upcoming assessments for your child. The dates and degree of information displayed are controlled by teachers through SEQTA Teach and will be released as needed. Through this tab, you will see assessments, due dates and graded work, and you can read the feedback regarding your child's learning. Students will begin to see assessments in week 3 of term 1, and by the end of week 7, students should have received grades and feedback on any summative assessment tasks submitted. Students also see this information in SEQTA Learn. Next, we have the Direct Messaging tab. You can use the New Message button to compose a message and then select the staff member through the search function on the right-hand side. If you are choosing to use the direct messaging system to inform staff of your child's absence, please select your child's teachers, but most importantly, include our front office staff so they can record this approved absence into SEQTA. At St John's campus, this means you need to include Mrs Lorraine Ackling and Mrs Colleen Dowling. The Direct Messaging tab is only to be used for day-to-day communication, such as information for staff regarding your child's absence or a message about your child being in the wrong uniform. More important matters regarding behaviour, incidents or learning concerns need to follow school protocol and be communicated through a phone call to the office, which can be directed to the appropriate staff for follow-up. The Documents tab is where you will find a range of documents relevant to your child. It will include key policies, information about events, and forms to which students may need regular access. As you can see, documents are colour-coded for each campus. As with other tabs, you can adjust your options and toggle on and off the documents that appear on your SEQTA Engage account so that only relevant documents are displayed. Through the Notices tab, students and parents can see day-to-day notices regarding school events, reminders, sporting events, and changes to timetables if we run an order of time. These are the notices we go through in Care Group, so if your child is absent for that morning session, they can navigate to this panel to check what they may have missed. As a parent or caregiver, you will need to adjust the types of notices you see depending on the campus at which you have children enrolled. You can toggle the types of notices on and off by clicking the Options button and ticking the types of notices you want to appear in this tab. This will ensure you receive only the information relevant to you and your children, rather than having to manually filter through everything from Samaritan's 3 campuses. The Reports tab is where semester reports will appear as they are made available, along with any other form of reports we generate and release. If your child is new to St John's campus, there may not be any reports in this space for now. The Timetable tab is where you can view your child's timetable, which they may have colour-coded through SEQTA Learn. Viewing your child's timetable may help you to plan their commitments and appointments in advance. Through this tab, you can click individual lessons to expand the timetable cell, allowing you to view the lesson number, time, subject, and teacher. You can also see if your child has attended the lesson, indicated by a tick, has arrived to a lesson late, indicated by a tick and a green L, has a school-approved event, home study, vet course or training, indicated by a tick and an orange symbol, has an approved absence, indicated by an envelope with a red tick, or has not attended the lesson, indicated by a red X. And lastly, as there are changes to SEQTA Engage, such as the release of grades and feedback or a direct message being received, you may notice a change to the notification button, alerting you to what has changed or information that has become available. You will not receive notifications for new notices, however, so ensure that you check the Notices tab regularly. Should you have issues with the SEQTA system or trouble logging in, please contact the school to speak with the Leader of Learning or Assistant Leader of Learning, and we will assist you.